Now we are going to talk about solving quadratic equation using completing the square method. And the equation we are going to solve is x squared plus 6x minus 1 equals 0. So you have x squared plus 6x minus 1 equals to 0. So you have x squared plus 6x. If I move the constant minus 1 to the other side, it becomes 0 plus 1. Is minus on the left hand side. When you move it to the right hand side, it becomes plus. So you have x squared plus 6x equals to 1. So for the left hand side, you are going to add a number that will make x squared plus 6x to be a perfect square. How do you know what number to add? The video before this one explains that. So if you watch the video and you understand what the video talked about, then you should know that x squared plus 6x, when I add 9 to it, it becomes a perfect square. And I'll also add 9 to the right hand side because it's an equation. What you do to the left, you must also do to the right. So how do I know it is 9 I'm supposed to add? The video before this one, the previous video, explains that, okay? So if you don't understand, you can pause this video right now, watch the video before this one, then come back and continue. So x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals to 1 plus 9. Then now that you have this, you can express this in form of a square as x plus 3 all squared. Why x plus 3 all squared? The same video I mentioned earlier on. Watch the video and find out why it is x plus 3 all squared. Then this one will be equals to 10. Okay? Then you take square root of both sides. So if I take square root of both sides, I'm going to have x plus 3 all squared. I'll take the square root and square root of 10. Alright? Then 2 will cancel the root, so you have ordinary x plus 3. Then root 10 will become plus or minus root 10. Okay? Then the next thing is x will now be equals to, if you move plus 3 to the other side, it becomes minus 3. Then you have plus or minus root 10. Please, plus or minus. The reason why it's plus or minus is clear. Square root of 4 is plus or minus 2. Reason is because minus 2 times minus 2 will give you 4. Then plus 2 times plus 2 will give you what? 4. So if you are looking for the square root, the even root of any number, plus or minus is allowed or acceptable. So you have x is equals to minus 3. If you split the plus or minus, you have minus 3 plus root 10 or minus 3 minus root 10. You can leave your answer like this if you don't want to use a calculator. But if you want to use a calculator, you can find out the square root of root 10 and continue with the work.